Hello and welcome to my channel. Dr. Amna Habib is here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add your name, your designation, your institute name, and your contact information at the end of your email. So you will have to do it only once, and then no need to do it again and again. So now we will go towards procedure. So first of all, you will go towards Google Docs, click on it, then you will click on blank document, then you have to go towards insert, and you need to insert a table. Now on one side you can add your image. It could be your picture, but this is optional. If you are comfortable, then you can add your picture, otherwise you can only add your information. And in second box you can add your information like your name, your designation, and your institute name. So I'm writing my name, my designation. My name is Dr. Amna Habib. I'm an assistant professor at Department of Microbiology. So I will add all this information here. So basically it's all up to you that what kind of information you want to add at the end of your email. As I added my name, my designation, my institute name, my email, and my contact number. You can also add link. So for this you will right click, and then you will go towards insert link, and here you can paste link just the way I am doing. So I pasted the link of my university website where my data is available, and which is making it authentic that I am an assistant professor and all my information is present on my university web page. So whenever I will send email, and if anybody want to get all my information, then he or she can click on this link and they will directly visit my university web page. So after this you will remove the outline. To remove the outline, you will simply click on the lines one by one, and you will make them white, so they will disappear just the way I am doing. So you will make all these lines white, so they will become invisible. So now you will set it according to your choice, and you will copy all this information, and now you will go towards your Yahoo. So first of all you will click on these three dots, then you will go towards setting. After setting you will choose the option of writing email. In writing email you will see that this information is already present. I will select it and then remove it, and now I will paste the information that we created, and now I will I can make the changes as I want. For example, I made my name bold, and then I will just go back, and all this information will be stored, and whenever I will send any email, then this information will be present. So let's check it. I will send email to myself, and here you will check that I received an email with all this information. All the student, teachers, faculty members, and professionals can follow these steps to add their information and make their life easy.